Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Octa Trading app, including OctaFX or Octa Trader, step by step. So let's get started. First, let's understand how Octa app works. The Octa app does not have a built-in language setting, but it automatically follows your phone's system language. So to change the app's language, we need to change the language of your device. First, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and find this option called General Management and tap on it and go to Language. Here you will see the list of current languages on your device. Tap Add Language and choose the language you prefer. For example, Spanish, Hindi, Arabic or Filipino. For now, I'll go with English. Let me go with Australia for this one. After adding, you will be asked to set it as a default. Tap Set as Default if you want the entire phone and Octa app to use this language. Now go back and open the Octa Trading app. It will automatically appear in the language you just selected. This method works on both Android and iPhone since the Octa app mirrors your system language settings. To go back to previous or another language, simply repeat the same steps. You can also use in-app settings if available. Some platforms built on MetaTrader 4 or 5 allow language switching within the app, but the OctaFX mobile app does not currently offer a manual in-app language changer. If you're using MetaTrader inside Octa, changing your phone's language may also affect MT5, but MT5 itself responds to global app settings, not per app choices. And that's how you change the language in the Octa Trading app. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.